Okay, guys, this is such a cool idea. So remember the sticky notes, the transparent from Dollar Tree, or I mean, it's gonna work with this. So I still have this on there, but I'm going to show you a cool idea. Like, you probably know where I'm going, but this will be your palette. I'm just gonna stick that on there for now. Then you'll take this, since it's the shiny side, and check it out. You can put this on your phone. And if you don't draw very well, guys, you can do your own nail art. You can find your cartoon little characters and transfer them from this paper, and I'm going to show you. So stay tuned, okay? And I'm going to be using Young Nails' Overdrive with the Young Nails micro detailer, and I got this through their website because, I mean, look at that brush. In my opinion, I think this is a really cool idea. I'm just going to kind of like, you know, not do it perfectly, but just to show you what you can do. So let's just say you find your cartoon little character that you want to draw. And then, let's see, let's do this cute little bow because that is adorable. So you're just trace it. I didn't even break the seal of this brush, so yeah. Okay, and then you can just fill in. Obviously, you can fix it up, you know, take your time. You know, you can mess with it and fix it up later. But cure that again. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to top coat this little design. Now I'm going to put it back in the lamp to cure for the amount that it needs. Okay, so that's out of the lamp. Check this out, guys. With this $1.25 paper. Come on, you're just doing it. You have to like push the corner in, but it comes right off. And you can try this shiny side, but I tried the shiny side and the gel, it doesn't stay. So now on this nail, I'm gonna show you with our little design that we just created. I'll just put this on there. And you can like press it in. Whoops, that moved. Well, that's not centered, but I'm just showing you that you could do your own nail art. Not as sloppy, but you know what I mean. Perfect your little nail art as you go, of course. This was just a sloppy demonstration, but I literally just got these today, so I wanted to try it out and test them out. So on this one, I used the shiny side, but no, it was not. Like the lines, everything just started to absorb together. It wasn't staying because it's liquid, so the plastic was making it like all come together instead of like staying, you know, the shape. So what I recommend probably, what you could do is like you see on other videos, do the clear, the base clear first, then draw your art because it's going to stay transparent. Then draw your art and then reseal it. But the trick that I used to get that sticker to stay on the nail is I used gel foil glue and then put the little sticker. But you're going to have to use a no wipe top coat. So I hope that wasn't too much information, but to give you like the coolest idea, for like $1.25, you get a sheet, 100 sheets, transparent. They have different colors. I saw orange, purple, blue, this green. I'm going to try to get the other colors. But you can do a lot with that, and you can start getting better nail art, little, you know, go on your phone, go on Pinterest or wherever you like to find your pictures from, and you can do your art from there, from your phone. You don't have to get those or buy those workbooks that have those printed little things. You can do them on your phone, you know, because your clients are going to ask you for different things, and you can work on your art if you're not that great yet. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. God bless you, and I'll see you on the next video. I have a couple more ideas to show you guys.